accept itong pitch na to? What drew you to the script, to the story?
Ako kasi ang dami ko na nagawang rom-com pero ito kasi parang may pagka-sci-fi kasi nga may ability si Linlin na ma-predict kung ano yung madadala sa buhay. May ganun siya So parang sabi ko, iba to. Kaya rom-com man siya, may ganun siyang aspeto kaya nagustuhan ko.
Ako feeling ko, pre-planned nang mag-reunion kami tatlo talagang pinag-usapan na namin, and then I think we just waited till Direk would get inspired again and write a love story for both Kaloy and I. But more than anything, ang ganda ng touch na pagka-sulat ni Direk ng movie Cruise. And yeah, same with Kaloy. I think what makes this special is the fantasy aspect of it. I don't do much of it. Feeling ko yung pinaka-nagawa kong fantasies sa Once Upon a Time or yung Vlogsy. But this one, Mirabella, oo nga pala. Yan na yan yung kulay mo. Yeah. But yeah, it's deep and it's very meaningful. So
okay. Julia, you're on our ready ka na rin ba lumaban kay Vilma at Juday? Siyempre for Best Actress!
Of course.
O tingin nyo, direct na.
Ano naman?
May
ang
laban.
Ang sabi kaya ni Juju dito. Para ako yun di ba? Direct.
You know what, I don't know. I'm not sure how to answer this question. Number one, sobra ko silang dalawang iniidolo. So even to mention my name beside theirs is medyo nakakajahe siya. But I think this alone, this film making it to the MMFF on their 50th year, and just being included is already such a great honor. So, ayun, grateful naman ako with this alone. Yeah.
And of course, would you say ito yung isa sa best performances yet mo?
Sino? Alam po?
Ikaw, you would say na ito ay isa sa best performances mo. You showed yung isa sa best performances mo. Hopefully.
I don't know, I don't think I should be the one answering this. Feeling ko naman in every project, we just always try to give it our best.
Ano po, unang question is, bakit po Japan ang napili nating venue para dito sa story?
Okay, this is my second time to shoot a film in Japan. Meron kasing tinatawag na, meron film commission yung isang prefecture doon, ang tawag ay Saga Prefecture Film Commission, na naging acquainted ako nung first kaming nag-shoot ni Julia ng film sa Japan, yung Between Babies. So, yung mga taga-tao doon, they were asking if I could apply again. So, ako, since, di ba, we really fell in love with the place. So, syempre, grab ko yung opportunity para makagawa ulit ng pelikula doon. And ayan, sinubmit ko to sa kanila. It went through a process na, ano yan dati kasi parang kahit sinong mag-apply, binibigyan nila ng grant, tinutulungan nila. Pero ngayon competitive na, meron ng screening process. And nagustuhan siya ng mga Japanese counterpart namin. And ayun, ginawa namin siya sa Japan.
Okay, the next follow-up question ko pa sa inyo rin. Hindi ito yung first project nyo kasama yung actors na sila Carlo at saka si Julia. Ano po ang ano nyo? Malakita nyo sa kanilang as actors maturity dito sa project na ito kumpara doon sa mga nauna?
Well, wala naman akong conscious decision na parang ngayon sa una. Basta every time na nakakatrabaho kami, we just really put our best sa ginagawa namin. And then, it will be up to the people to judge kung maganda siya or hindi. Pero kami, we are confident na we give our best sa lahat ng projects na ginagawa.
Okay, thank you very much po and good luck.